We have IKEA right here, but it's closed anyways. We came here for nothing, just to fly airplane. Anyways, it's closed. You can see the shop. It's closed. Look. Let's see. It's over. I think the entrance will be here, and you can see from the bottom it's over there. So yeah. So we're just flying an airplane right here. But here's my cousin. Here's my dad. Here's my dad's brother. So we're right here just flying an airplane. I think it was right over here. Where I lost it. Right there. It landed. Yes. This airplane is very cool. It's about to take off. But anyways, this airplane, you guys have to buy it because this can take like this many space. Yeah, that many space. Not right here. We're not flying it right here else. So it's gonna run us over. So that's why we're right here in all of this place. So here's the airplane just crashed right there. And my dad is running to get it. He's gonna get the airplane. So yeah. Anyways, we're going back. It could hit us. And that's why I don't want to be hit from here, but it's right there. Yeah, right there, blah, 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 right there. So yeah, you should buy these airplanes. You can fly them right here in an empty space or a park, a beach, anywhere you want, but not a building. That is not safe. Or not a party, not a shop. Shops can't take out of the airplane. They can take you out. So the airplane just crashed again right over there. So yeah, right there. You guys can't see it, Lara. I'm gonna walk towards it. Let's see if you can see now. It's right there. His brother's picking up. Now he's putting it back. Now it's running. So anyways, alright, anyways, we're gonna, in my next video, we're gonna go to Sky Zone so we can go jump. Anyways, yeah, so you guys have to buy this airplane. It's very cool. So some birds just right here. Oh my god, that bird looked good. And my camera. Okay, where's the airplane? I lost it. Oh, right here. Never mind. Right over there. It's like a bee just buzzing around. But well, I hope it doesn't land on the top. But actually, it's going down to. Oh my god! It almost caught me. So anyways, bye guys.